it's not really the math that's my biggest concern.
Oh,
See, Liam drew this picture for a project that we had last week. The assignment was for the students to draw a picture of what the family does at home. Do you have any idea what this could mean?
he knows where I work, okay? He can come to my house. I saw somebody outside my house last night.
I really would suggest that you seek some counseling.
Maybe he can get counseling here at school.
And
Right.
you don't really need counseling because you haven't done anything wrong. Neither has Liam. He needs
Justice.
justice.
Mrs. Davis.
No.
I really would suggest that you seek some counseling.
That's another person saying counseling, which is the recommended thing for everything.
Right.
Right.
Never, look, somebody did you wrong.
You're the one who gets the counseling.
Instead of
Justice.
justice, that's the right, that's what,
Revenge.
that's the whole point. And not necessarily revenge, but justice. Because justice, you know, in the whole people want to push forgiveness and finding a way to accept what has happened. No. This person is a criminal. They need to be prosecuted and convicted. And they can repent. But in the meantime, they're going to serve a sentence.
Stand your ground. Stand firm. Recognize. Judgment.